These Tempo 4-outlet manifolds are an excellent way to distribute water throughout your garden or flower bed, and they're a water-saving alternative to using sprinklers. Dwayne Smith here, Sprinkler Warehouse Product Specialist. Let's get started. Drip manifolds like these Tempo 4-outlet bubblers turn a half-inch shrub stick or riser into a mini drip system. Drip irrigation uses considerably less water than conventional sprinkler systems. We have 5 different manifolds here. Each of these manifolds, except for the gray one, is pressure compensating. Each has 4 swivel outlets. They're color coordinated by flow rate. Blue, 2 gallons per hour per outlet. Black, 6 gallons per hour per outlet. Red, 10 gallons per hour. Green, 20 gallons per hour. And the gray one here is unrestricted flow. Now, since this emitter does not restrict flow, you probably want to add some emitters or micro sprays at the end of the microtubing to properly restrict the flow. Any brand of barbed emitter made for 1/4-inch microtubing will do. To retrofit a sprinkler to a manifold, unscrew the nozzle from the riser. Next, it's a good idea to flush the line for a few seconds. Shut off the water, screw the manifold onto the riser. 1/4-inch microtubing connects to each of these barbs. The microtubing carries water to the root zone of your plants. Wiggle on some polytubing. Now you can run your microtubing to the plant of your choosing. At the end, you'll want to put a stake to keep the microtubing pointed at its intended target. We recommend putting one of these little diffuser bug caps on the end of your tubing to keep out little pests and dirt. It also helps prevent erosion at your plant roots. Bug caps don't restrict flow like a regular emitter does. Remember, Sprinkler Warehouse has everything for your irrigation needs, so your trees, lawn, flower beds, and gardens are lush and beautiful. And if you have any questions, chat with one of our amazing customer service agents on sprinklerwarehouse.com. They really know their stuff, and they'll get you squared away. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for helpful tips, tutorials, and general sprinkler instruction. For Sprinkler Warehouse, I'm Dwayne Smith. Professional quality, rock bottom prices.